Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make liposomal vitamin C at home. This guide will show you an easy way to create your own highly absorbable vitamin C. We will cover the simple steps, from gathering your ingredients to the final encapsulation process. Making it yourself can be cost-effective and ensures you know exactly what goes into your supplement. To begin, gather your essential ingredients and equipment. You will need 1 tablespoon of pure ascorbic acid powder, which is your vitamin C source. Next, get 3 tablespoons of liquid sunflower or soy lecithin, crucial for forming the liposomes. Finally, have 1 cup of distilled water ready. For equipment, a high-speed blender and an ultrasonic cleaner are necessary. Now let's start blending. First, dissolve your 1 tablespoon of ascorbic acid powder completely in 1/2 cup of distilled water. In a separate container, blend the 3 tablespoons of lecithin with the remaining 1/2 cup of distilled water until smooth. Once both are ready, combine these 2 mixtures into your high-speed blender. Blend them together for about 3 to 5 minutes. For the final step, carefully pour your blended mixture into an ultrasonic cleaner. Run the cleaner for at least 30 minutes, or even up to 1 hour, to ensure proper liposomal encapsulation. This ultrasonic vibration helps create the tiny lipid spheres. Once complete, transfer your fresh liposomal vitamin C into an airtight container. Store it in the refrigerator, where it will remain potent for about 1 to 2 weeks.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.